Is my partner in
She's
there?
with the girl.
Okay.
So I just want to give you a little bit of a history without her hearing me.
Okay.
She's been coming into branches for the last few weeks taking money. Yesterday we got a call from back office. She's not who she says she is. They've already blocked the account. We've confirmed with the client that this is not her.
Okay.
She's taken a lot of money from these people. She has.
Today's body cam footage captures what appears to be the end of an elaborate bank fraud scheme. According to police and bank employees, a woman had allegedly been visiting multiple bank branches over several weeks, posing as someone else, and withdrawing large sums of money. But on this particular day, bank staff had already uncovered the deception and quietly contacted law enforcement before the suspect could leave. As always, we'll break down exactly what happened, examine the officer's actions, discuss the evidence available at each stage, and point out the legal and investigative aspects of the encounter.
Ma'am, can I speak to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I guess what's going on with your account?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
All right. Do you have your ID with you?
She has it.
She has it?
Yes.
All right. What's your name? Grace?
Yeah, she has all the information.
Okay. Here, let's go over to the counter.
I was going to use the restroom.
Well, give it a second, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Here, let's just go to the counter here. All right. Could you see that we get her ID? I guess there's some confusion about who you are and what your accounts are.
There should be.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you go outside?
No.
Oh.
Here, have a seat right here for me. Here, have a seat. Have a seat. All right. Now, who gave you this check?
It's right here.
Okay. And what did they give you the check for?
I'm a lawyer, so.
Okay. All right. So it's for services?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you live in Coral Gables right now?
Yes, I have an Airbnb that I'm doing in Biscaya,
Okay.
so.
All right. So what does La Raza Enterprises do?
It's one of the my clients.
Okay. With like what kind of work do you what business are they in?
I'm not sure. It's my client. He wrote the check.
Okay. You say he's your client, but you don't know what business he's in?
No, I'm sorry.
Is it a person or an actual business?
No, it's a person.
Okay.
This is a standard police tactic. The bank employee immediately separates the officers from the suspect to avoid alerting her that an investigation is underway. This allows officers to gather facts before making contact. The manager explains, the woman has visited several branches. She has withdrawn money multiple times. The bank's fraud department investigated. The real account owner confirmed she was an imposter. The account has already been frozen. At this point, officers aren't relying on a hunch. They're receiving information from bank personnel who have already conducted their own internal investigation.
So she's been coming into 2 branches the last few weeks withdrawing money. We got an email from back office yesterday that this is not the client.
So this company, they said, did not issue
This
her the check?
actual person does not, this is not her.
That's not her.
We got emails yesterday from back office that person has not came into a branch at all.
Right.
She lives in Coral Gables. That's where she does all her banking. She
Right.
does not come to Delray.
So she's not,
That's correct.
and we don't know who she is?
That's correct. I have a client who needs a translator in the lobby. I'm not sure what she needs. She's sitting down. Stay with her.
She came in yesterday, and immediately after I did the transaction, we received emails from the representative for the client, because they're actually kind of a high-level client.
Right.
And immediately,
This La Raza Enterprises?
no, it's the exact same name as her, And there's also another signer on the account,
Right.
so it's the two of them. Has nothing to do with any business, at least on their personal accounts, but
Right.
that's where she's transacting, is the
Okay.
personal account. The account number is
So we're
on the
saying
back.
this is a fake ID?
It's got to be, because that's not her. That is the address of the client, but that's not her. And she's also gone to the Boynton branch, and we looked at their transactions. They never come up here. They're like Coral Gables.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, they confirmed that it's not. She is not the client.
She is not the client, but,
She is
and,
not
and,
the
and there is a client named,
She is not her. Okay. She is not her.
oh, okay. I'm still confused. So how do they know that who she is?
They looked at their banking, their online banking, and saw transactions that were not authorized by the client. So they
Now,
contacted
the client
us.
being,
No, the client is, I don't know where this check came from. She's depositing it. Yesterday, she deposited a check and made a withdrawal.
Right.
And so they saw on their online banking that, they saw in the online banking that they did not do the clients.
Right.
Did not do the transactions. So they verified it's confirmed fraud. She is committing fraud. This
right,
woman
and
that's
she's
here.
trying to deposit this?
Trying to deposit. Yesterday, she took cash back,
Okay.
but that is not her.
Okay.
They can.
She's been coming to branches for the last few weeks taking money. Yesterday, we got a call from back office. She's not who she says she is. This suggests investigators believe this wasn't a one-time crime. Instead, they're looking at what appears to be a pattern of activity. Several red flags stand out: multiple visits, multiple withdrawals, different bank branches, fraud department involvement, verification with the real customer. Banks take identity fraud very seriously because organized fraud rings often target multiple locations before being detected. The mention of back office likely refers to Citibank's fraud investigation unit.
Yeah.
So I'm on the phone. This client is right now in a police station in Miami right now.
This,
The actual lady is in a police station
Oh,
right
this
now
Grace
in Miami.
Escalona?
Correct.
yeah, well, this is the actual woman.
Yeah, that's
Similar, but not, but not.
definitely not.
I think I forgot to advise her how
Can I speak to them because I have them on the phone, or does that not matter?
No, it'll be good to speak to them.
let me tell them.
They're in the police department?
She's in a police department in Miami.
Have her speak to an officer to get a sworn statement.
Sworn statement.
Yeah, a sworn statement, if possible on video, if not, paper is good.
Perfect.
Okay? Alright, I think we figured this out. Alright, I'm required to warn you before you make these statements that you have the following constitutional rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions, do you understand? You have the right to remain, any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statements and during any questioning, do you understand? Okay. All right, now you said you're a lawyer, so I guess all those rights you understand. All right, I guess the big question is, while I have your driver's license in hand, what's your real name?
That is, I'll speak to my attorney.
All right, you can do that.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to place you under arrest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you could just step down.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Turn it for you. That's all I was doing. I'm not trying to be resist
I'm just trying to make it
Yeah, I'm not
comfortable for you.
Yeah.
If you do it like you're praying, it's more comfortable.
This one, I should have put these things down first. All right, I'm placing you under arrest for fraud.
Okay.
All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna collect some information. You wanna hang with her for a second while I get some of the supporting stuff? I guess you were here yesterday, you withdrew some money? Okay,
I'm just gonna talk to my attorney.
all right, sounds good.
This is one of the strongest pieces of evidence mentioned in the footage. The bank isn't merely suspicious. According to the manager, the legitimate customer was contacted. The customer denied making the withdrawals. The account was frozen. This gives officers additional reason to investigate, because an identifiable victim has reportedly confirmed unauthorized transactions. However, officers still need to conduct their own investigation. A bank employee's statement alone doesn't automatically establish guilt. Police must gather evidence independently.
One statement from her, Citibank said I have to subpoena everything. She would give me a sworn statement, video, copies of the documents. The only thing I got is the check today.
Okay.
And I spoke to the actual victim who said she doesn't know who this woman is, she doesn't know how she got her information, and she doesn't even know who this company is.
Okay.
But she was trying to deposit, and basically yesterday she deposited yesterday she deposited a $5,800 check from some company called Axio, and she withdrew $4,000 immediately after. So she stole $4,000, and today she was going to attempt to deposit that. We don't know how much she was going to withdraw.
Okay.
Okay?
Did you read Miranda?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. He said he read you Miranda already. Do you understand all that? Okay. Would you like to speak with me for a few minutes?
No, I just want to talk to my attorney.
Okay. And you said you did get the real.
The amount involved dramatically changes the seriousness of the case. Over $50,000 suggests investigators may be looking at identity theft, fraud, grand theft, forgery, financial exploitation, organized criminal activity. Cases involving this amount often require extensive documentation because prosecutors must connect individual transactions to the suspect. The bank likely has security footage, withdrawal slips, identification records, transaction histories, employee witness statements.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm not getting back in my car. Listen,
We're not going to argue out in public.
I'm not trying to argue with you.
Okay.
I'm not trying to argue with you.
Okay. That's
Here's
why-
my thing. Why are you crying? Because you want to yell at me. Why
Stop.
you crying now?
Stop.
You come
Stop. Sit in the car. You're going to jail.
Please go get a different officer.
No, I am the lieutenant. Sit in the car. You're going to jail.
What she got to sit in the car for?
Because she's outside screaming. Get in the car.
No, you don't got to worry.
All right.
What are you doing?
I'm about to arrest you. Get in the car. Get in the car.
And you don't have to open her car door.
Get in the
What
car.
are you doing?
You're warfare disorderly. You do that again, you're going.
You better
Get in
my
the car.
face. I know that much. Yeah,
Send me
call
another
back
unit.
up. Yeah.
Okay. Stop.
Nah, stop. What
Stop.
are you doing?
Get in the car now.
You're doing too much. Let me call my dad.
No, you're getting in the
Don't
car.
put your hands on me.
Get in the car. Get in the car. You're both
Don't
warned.
put your hand. I ain't did shit to you.
Get in the car.
She didn't do nothing.
You're outside arguing. I am trying to control this situation. Get in the car. Get in the car.
You got the right one. What? I
Get-
know the law. Chill out. Chill out. Chill
No,
out.
you get in the
Don't
car.
touch- Don't touch.
Get in the
I
car.
don't have to.
You're under arrest.
Don't, no,
You're
I'm
under
not.
arrest.
No, I'm
You're
not.
under arrest.
Don't touch.
You're
don't,
under
Don't
arrest.
touch me. Don't touch me. Get off of me.
Don't fight me.
Get off of me. Get off of me. What the f wrong with you? Get off of me. Get
Give me
off
her
of
hand or you're going.
Get
You're under
off
arrest
of
too.
me. You have to take me. Please get off of me. What the f are you doing?
You're going to.
You're gonna have to.
You're under arrest.
You're gonna have to. I didn't even do anything.
Stop.
And you're having right.
Stop. Don't touch me.
But I'm not touching you. I'm recording you.
That's fine.
Yeah, you have to get off of
You know what? You're under arrest.
No, I won't.
You hit me in the face when you
Get
tried
off
to
of-
assault.
I did not hit you. Get off of me. You're kidding, right?
Nope.
This gotta be some type of sick.
You stay right here.
Don't touch me.
You stay right here.
This has to be some type of a sick joke.
Turn off the car.
Get off of me. Let me see your phone. Get him off of me. Get him off of me. Get off of me. What are you
Get her.
doing?
Get her.
No, stop.
Get her.
Stop.
Get her.
Get him off of me.
Get her.
What are you doing?
She's under
Please
arrest.
No, she's not. Why?
Get out of the car.
Please get off of me.
Get her in a
What
car
are you
now.
doing? No.
Get her in a
no,
car.
Are you serious? This don't make sense. I have no record.
They're arrested.
Okay.
And when do I get out?
I don't
There's
know.
no way. Dude.
You hit me.
I did not touch you.
You hit me in the jaw.
Please grab my phone.
Deal with that later. I'm not worried about the phone right now.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving. What are you guys doing? I'm not moving.
told you you're a bitch.
This is a critical detail. Having identification doesn't necessarily prove innocence. Investigators will want to know, is the ID genuine? Does it belong to the suspect? Is it forged? Was it stolen? Were other documents used? Identity theft investigations often involve fraudulent identification documents that appear legitimate at first glance. Officers will likely compare the ID against bank records and government databases. By the time officers arrive, the bank appears to have set up a controlled encounter. Instead of confronting the suspect themselves, they allow police to handle the situation. This reduces risk for employees and preserves evidence. Banks frequently coordinate with law enforcement in ongoing fraud investigations. The objective is to protect staff, prevent further losses, recover evidence, identify accomplices if they exist.
I have a double lock. I'll double lock him real quick. Got it. Tighten it up a little bit. Why are you yelling for me?
Get off of me!
You kick me one more time. Stop kicking, okay?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Why the
Get in the car.
Get my phone.
Get in the car.
Get my phone. I don't even know people's phone numbers. What the how the I go to jail? I cannot go to jail. What I am a grown woman. I have bills and responsibilities. What are you doing?
Make better choices. We're okay. 2 under arrest.
Sorry. I tried to toss them and see this is what they was doing to me when I was trying
How
to
do you
talk.
know them?
I don't know them. My son was playing with her. Was he back there all the time with his sisters? Well, they said that he went.
240 can continue to his call.
She said supposedly he hit her nephew and I was trying to come out. And this is what they was trying to do to me the whole entire time.
Where do they live?
I don't know where they live.
I don't know. Oh.
And said the whole neighborhood does not like
You
my
live
son.
all the way down there. Like all the way down there.
Who? You don't know
I
who
don't
they
know
are?
No. I just wanted to go figure out to see what was going on. What was going on because they came yelling at me like this before my mom called you guys on my call because
What's your
they said
name?
they was gonna beat me up. And the last they said he tried to punch his nephew and I was trying to see and it said that he was prejudiced, said that my mom don't let me play with black guys.
So they came here
Yeah.
to argue with him.
Yeah. And so that supposedly he was trying to fight with his nephew down there.
Okay. I don't know who hit me.
This lady here. Is this your car? Do you have written statements in that?
They were back here in the bag.
What? You grabbed them out, I think.
Okay. This should be in a phone.
Who can come get your car?
Are you really gonna take me to jail?
I'm about to charge you with assault on me.
Assault
You
on a
elbowed me in the
police
face.
officer?
You elbowed me in the
It
face.
couldn't have been on purpose. I did not.
The thing is, I'm trying to restore
Sir,
order, okay?
Can I please explain to you the situation?
That's what I wanted
Call the
to.
police.
Because it sounds like you were
No,
not in the
you
wrong.
started off yelling. I was not in the wrong.
I know.
Oh, she said
You should have called us in the
all
first
those
place.
kids. I told her that I would call the police my damn self.
Okay. So what happened?
So I pulled up. I was driving past and I saw my nephew. He was jumping on the trampoline.
Down at your house or?
No, he was jumping on the trampoline by his house, and I started talking to them. And then that's when he told me that he got punched in the chin by a little boy.
Okay.
When that happened, they said that he went to go get his mom or something. His mom started walking down here aggressively. She was like, "Do you guys have a problem with your son, my son? I've never seen your son a day in my life. I don't know your son. I have nothing. I don't know your son. He needs to keep his hands to himself." So then, eventually, the other little kids, we like got into a yelling match, and she said she was calling the police. Okay, you can do that. That's fine. So the other kids started telling me they don't even like that little boy. He's a menace. He's bad. He does all types of stuff. Even her neighbor, because she started talking to a neighbor that was down there, and he even said that her kid is bad. He has no manners.
Okay.
There's no manners.
You're looking at a potential felony.
You have to be kidding. I have no record.
So that's when an officer tells you to do something, you do it. This isn't the place to argue with an officer, okay?
A felony, like prison.
But
What
that's
am I going to do in prison? How am I going to live life outside of after I go to prison?
I'm not the one that hit me in the face.
I have a quick question. Could I have him just to go down to apologize to the black kid?
Nope.
I don't know if it's true.
I'd stay
or not.
away.
Okay, because
It sounds like he was fighting down there.
like I said, Sam,
You calm down now?
I was always calm. You was the one that was riled up. No, I told you guys to get in the car. There's a reason for it, okay? When you guys come out, it's just me here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need to separate parties. I can't have everybody fighting in the middle of the street because it's not safe for anybody. So when an officer tells you to do something, you have to do it. There's a reason. I've been doing this longer than you've been alive, okay? Your friend's potentially looking at a felony for hitting me in the face. You scratched me.
I didn't mean to do that. I was holding on to my friend.
And that's makes things 50 times worse. I could have thrown you both to the ground. I could have tased both of you by the way you guys were acting. I think you guys came down here with somewhat right intent, but we should have been called well before any of this happened. Okay? So just sit tight here and we're going to figure out everything. I got to get my mind, figure out what actually occurred with all this, okay? So just sit tight.
Alright.
Officers met with the suspect's nephew and his parents to ask what happened.
Flipped you off? When did he hit you?
Like over there.
Okay.
The
girl in there is my sister.
Okay.
What's going
Is that
on with
Nakia?
her? Nakia, yeah. Her.
She got out of the car to defend him.
Mm-hmm.
I told her to get back in the car because everybody was screaming at each other. They didn't listen. She continued to yell and scream. So I went to put her in cuffs. Her and her friends started fighting me. I got elbowed in the face. I got scratched up. If he comes around you, go tell an adult or just go home, okay? Because if somebody's going to talk that way to you or treat you that way, you don't need them in your life, right? So go tell a trusted adult because that's not the right way for somebody to act, all right? You seem like a good kid. You a good kid? I don't know. You don't sound too confident in that answer, so.
So, I'll let him tell you because I wasn't here for most of it, so I don't know.
You're under arrest for at least M4 disorderly and resisting arrest.
I didn't resist arrest.
I was trying to put her in cuffs and you grabbed her up. So you're interfering with my investigation and my arrest of her. So that's resisting arrest. So, and then when I told you not to move, you continued to move, got in the car and climbed over. So
That's because you were putting your hands on me.
Because you're under arrest.
How are you going to arrest two people at the same time?
If they're compliant, it's easy.
She wasn't compliant.
I know. That's what I said. That's why it's difficult.
Yeah.
Because there's two people and you're not
So I'm
cooperating.
being arrested for what?
At least right now, disorderly and resisting arrest.
Okay.
No one has that understanding of anything.
At least she said she wasn't compliant.
Yeah.
The officer arrived at the police department to begin the suspect's booking process.
Okay. I'm too old to be fighting with young girls, okay? You just watch out for a second. Where is that?
I wasn't fighting you. I was trying to protect my friend.
I understand. Hey, seriously, we'll work with you, okay?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I do apologize.
You're okay. Hopefully next time we see each other, we just laugh and give each other high fives. And
Are you going to remember me?
Hopefully
I'm
not.
going to remember you.
Misdemeanors, low misdemeanors, so it's really not that big of a deal. If I wanted to, I could ruin your whole life, probably, because when she could have got charged with a felony. When you complicit to that, you get the same charge.
A felony?
Then
I'm going to be a felon?
You could have been, but I'm not going to charge you, okay?
Thank you.
What are you going to school for?
Psychology.
Okay.
Where's my sister?
Is that Newly over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you stand up for me? You don't want to wear those anymore, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Have we learned a lesson today?
I don't like you guys. That's the lesson I learned.
Okay, then I can just charge you with a felony.
Please don't you charge me with a felony.
Have a seat.
I've learned that you
No,
guys.
you're done. Have a seat. I'll give you a reason. Dude,
It was a joke. I was just kidding.
I was going to give you 2 misdemeanors, kick you out the door.
I was just kidding.
Now you can just go to jail.
It was a joke. I thought you would laugh.
Each piece of information strengthens the investigation. However, officers will still need to speak with the suspect, verify her identity, collect physical evidence, document witness statements, review bank records. This opening sequence highlights how financial crime investigations often unfold. Unlike dramatic police chases, these cases rely heavily on careful planning, cooperation between banks and police, documentary evidence, witness statements, fraud investigations. The bank employees appear to have done extensive groundwork before officers arrived, including contacting the legitimate account holder and freezing the account. From the officer's perspective, their first priority is to gather reliable information before confronting the suspect. One important point to remember is that these allegations come from the initial stages of the investigation. At this point in the footage, the suspect has not yet had an opportunity to respond, and any criminal charges would ultimately need to be proven in court through the legal process.